Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sarma on Classes. Today I'll teach you some interesting and useful daily use sentence which improve your English speaking and fluency. So without waste your more time, let's get started. उसे अभी ठीक करो. Fix that right now. Fix that right now. वह तो बड़ा ही सुस्त है. He is very sluggish. He is very sluggish. Sluggish means सुस्त. वो आज दिन भर बेड पर लेटा रहा. He lay in bed all day today. He lay in bed all day today. Today means आज. चलो आज बाहर खाते हैं. Let's eat out today. Let's eat out today. Today means आज. आप यहाँ कब से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? Here means यहाँ. मैं जरा आती हूँ. I will be right back. I will be right back. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It's not that it doesn't matter to me. It's not that it doesn't matter to me. मी यानी मुझे. बेबी पूरी रात रोती रही. बेबी kept carrying whole night. बेबी kept carrying whole night. whole night यानी पूरी रात. तुम्हारे कहने का क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? Mean means मतलब या अर्थ. क्या तुम मेरे कहने का मतलब समझते हो? Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? इस शब्द का अर्थ क्या होता है? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Mean means अर्थ. मुझे तुम्हारा दिल नहीं दुखाना था. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. कोई रोता हुआ मुझे सुनाई दिया. I heard someone crying. I heard someone crying. मैंने उसे बक्सा खोलते हुए देखा. I saw him opening the box. I saw him opening the box. मुझे कुछ पकने की खुशबू आ रही है. I smell something being cooked. I smell something being cooked. Cooked means पकना. उन्होंने उसे पैसे चुराते हुए पकड़ा. They caught him stealing the money. They caught him stealing the money. Money means पैसे. फिर से हिंसा होने की संभावना है. Violence is likely to erupt again. Violence is likely to erupt again. Again means फिर से. उसके घर पर होने की उम्मीद है. He is likely to be at home. He is likely to be at home. उसके कब आने की उम्मीद है? When is he likely to come? When is he likely to come? Come means आना. देर से या जल्दी यह तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen sooner or later. It was bound to happen sooner or later. इस बार उसका जीतना पक्का है. He is bound to win this time. He is bound to win this time. आदमी का मरना पक्का है. Man is bound to die. Man is bound to die. Die means मरना. हादसे में मरना उसके नसीब में था. He was to die in an accident. He was to die in an accident. कार्यक्रम जल्द शुरू होने वाला था. The program was to start early. The program was to start early. Early means jaldi. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.